without taking too much time, I encourage everyone to think about which specific, because this plant has several, of over 150 characterized cannabinoids. And on top of that, hundreds and hundreds of what you call terpenes that are enhancers of the cannabinoid effect. And on top of that, in the full spectrum plant, a lot of plant chlorophylls and other plant oils and vitamins that are very essential for health. So just the same way you incorporate your spinach and your kale, there is value here. So I'm a proponent of that within approved regulation. Then secondly, with the emergence of or development of medicines like we are doing at Zalira, where we are taking cannabinoid formulations and piping them through evidence-based clinical validation, as they start to become available and show efficacy, certainly like in our insomnia drug, where we did a placebo-controlled, double-blinded crossover, and then went against the primary endpoints, against the international standards for sleep evaluation, under the auspices of a first world regulatory entity, under the called the TGA in Australia, which is akin to the FDA in the USA, and the results came out, and it hit its primary endpoint, but also hit several secondary endpoints. And then when you compare it with the drugs that are on the market, absolutely floors them on safety. Hello, I tell people, if truly the practice of medicine, which is an art based on a science, says first do no harm, and now you're faced with clear evidence under the same rubric, and then these medicines perform better. Hello, why are we having an argument? Why are we having a conversation? So on the two fronts of wellness that is within your own control, but also paying attention to the emerging pharmacology, I encourage everyone to be active participants on both sides.
Fantastic.